In this video, I'll guide you through how to pay your Google Cloud bill effortlessly. Managing your Google Cloud expenses is crucial to ensure uninterrupted service, and making timely payments is a key part of that. Whether you're new to the Google Cloud platform or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to help simplify the process for you. First, you need to open the billing section of your Google Cloud account. To do this, log into your Google Cloud account from your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a section labeled Billing. Click on that, and you'll be taken to your billing dashboard. This is where you can view all your billing information, including your current balance, past invoices, and upcoming charges. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is going to the Transactions page. In the billing dashboard, you'll find a tab or menu option called Transactions. Here, you can review all of your past transactions, see what charges have been applied, and identify any payments that have been processed. This section is very useful for keeping track of your spending and ensuring everything is in order. Once you're on the Transactions page, look for the Make Payment option. This is usually prominently displayed as it's designed to help you quickly manage your payments. Click on Make Payment, and you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Google Cloud accepts a variety of payment methods, including credit cards and bank accounts. Enter the details of your preferred payment method. Make sure that the information is accurate to avoid any errors or delays in processing your payment. Double check everything from the card number to the expiration date if you're using a credit card. After you've entered your payment details, the next step is to confirm your payment. Take a moment to review the payment amount and the details you've provided. It's a good habit to ensure that everything is correct before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, click on the Confirm button. This action will process your payment, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your transaction has been successfully completed. And that's it. You've just paid your Google Cloud bill. Keeping up with your payments is essential for maintaining your services without interruption. Remember, if you ever run into any issues or have questions about your bill, Google Cloud offers support options to help you resolve your concerns. Regularly checking your billing information can help you manage your finances better and avoid any unexpected charges. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully, you now feel confident in managing your Google Cloud payments. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.